the look, you know, right here. So I'm going to start off by priming my eyelids with this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Oh my god. So then I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me powder and just going to set my eyelids with that. But I'm going to take the Mono Renaissance, and then I'm going to be taking Raw Sienna and putting that as my transition color. I'm going to be taking burnt orange, and then I'm going to just add that into my crease. So then I'm going to be using the Morphe 35O. I'm just going to mix them together. I'm going to take this one and this one mixed together. And just gonna put that, or put the other colors kind of in my crease. I'm gonna take this one and then just really define my crease. I'm going to be going into this shade and defining my crease even more. And I'm going to be taking this color and onto a flat packer brush, I guess, or something like that. And really just defining that. Then we're gonna cut our crease. I'm gonna just cut my crease with the same concealer that I used on my eye. Okay, then I'm going to be taking the Morphe 35O palette. I'm taking the white shade. I think I kind of want to make it darker, so I'm going to go in with more of that shade, that dark brown shade, and make that a bit darker at the edge. And I'm gonna take these two shades, mix them together, I'm gonna put it on onto my lash line, I guess. I'm gonna take those two lighter, darker brown shades, this one and this one, mix them together, and then I'm gonna get closer to my lash line. I'm gonna go into this darker brown shade. I'm gonna get really close to my lash line. Girl, I think those will be good. So I'm gonna come back with my face done and then this other eye done, and then I'll put on some lashes, and we'll finish the eyes. Okay, so my face probably does not look good. It's at night, and I'm probably gonna take this off right after. Wait, this green and then this blue. Wait, no, actually. I'm gonna take this blue and this green, mix that together to make a teal. Oh my god, I'm so smart. I'm so talented. I'm over here mixing colors. What I'm gonna do with that color, I'm gonna add it to the bottom lash line. Add a little bit of more definition. I'm gonna take this wet and wild brush, and then I'm gonna take this one and put it really close to my lash line. Then for the inner corner, we're going so crazy. I'm gonna take some glitter. This is Bulk Glitters in Golden. I'm gonna be taking the NYX glitter glue, and then I'm gonna put that on the inner corner. Okay, and then I'm gonna be taking this brush, taking a little bit of the glitter. I don't want too much. I just kind of want, you know, like. These are the Ardell Wispy number 11. I'm just gonna come back and I'm gonna have them on properly. So I got, you know, these lashes. Okay, I'm going to add some liner in the waterline. Just take this what's it called, mascara, and I'm gonna put that on my bottom lashes. For highlight, I'm gonna be taking this Sweets Glow Kit, and I'm gonna be taking Marshmallow. Yes. I'm gonna be taking this lip liner in the color Nude. Oh, so perfect for this. Milani for this. I'm not trying to waste it. I'm gonna be adding the Milani liquid gloss in the color Tenderness. Girl, I think we've done. Yeah. So this is the look right here, and yeah, basically that's it. This is it. There we go. There we go.